Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2005 Honda Metropolitan motor scooter. This thing is in beautiful condition, only 1,600 miles. I love this Euro retro style. Little 50cc, goes about 40 miles an hour, gets way over 100 miles per gallon. Automatic transmission, electric start. It's got the nice little backrest on there. Come on by and make your Metro scooter dreams come true for just $17.49. This thing is not going to be here long. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.